Okay, in this video, we will see the tools and approaches to find and debug errors. I think I know the solution. I think I know the problem. The problem is probably that the document path is not correctly defined, but I will show you something when you find that is how to log data from the custom function, because perhaps here you get a bit confused, no? And you want to see what's going on and where exactly in what line this is failing, and because it's not really specifying the line, because this is compiled or bundled, however. So I'll ask the ChatGPT, please remember chat.openai.com, how to log data in Dart. There must be some sort print. Okay, print is a function that loads the data. Great. So I'll start putting this function in many places in our custom function. Okay, print. Remember print. So I'll come here. And I'll say print final string. Okay, print final string, and I'll be more strict. Line 25. No, it's not an object, it's a string. Well, it doesn't matter if it's line 23, so that I see in which exact moment things break. Okay? Line 23, print, line 28, print, line 22. I suspect that the error is here. Well, the error is here, but it will trigger probably in this line. Like, yeah, it will trigger in this moment. So we will, exactly. It triggers here because this is a string, but it's not a path. That's why. I mean, this is not something like this. That's the problem, okay? But I'll leave it like this because I want you to see the print, what is doing this function, that I'm sure that at some point, for sure, you will need it. So I'll save this function. I have to check for errors. It's checking. Remember this, you have to check for errors. No errors, great. And I'll go back to repeat the same operation. I clean this here, okay? I'm using Google Chrome, always Google Chrome. I'll send the message again. And it's not printing. Why it's not printing? Because I have to reload. Remember, you have to reload or otherwise the changes will not be applied. Reload. Well, they are applied, but you don't see them. Okay. The instant reload failed. There are no project errors. No? Well, let's see. I come to the chat. Yeah, the instant reload failed. Well, I'll end the session and start a new session. Okay. 3 dots, more tools, tools for developers. Console, chat with Laura. And now look, line 22. These are the print statements in function. Okay, line 23, line 25, and here is the problem. This is a string. It is not a document path. That is the problem. Line 28, and then here a document path must point to a valid document. Okay. Solution to provide the document path. The document path, what is a document path? It's a string that points somewhere. So we go back to the custom function, and here we need to do something like chat slash I think this should work because the collection that, yeah, chat slash, I think that should be enough. Let's check errors. No errors. I save. Reload. We reload. I clean this. I go back to the chat with Laura. And now there was no error. There was no error. You see, nothing red. We come back here and messages, the ID of the message, sender ID, and the text. Fantastic. Fantastic. We just learned how to find and debug errors. Remember about the print statement, okay? The print statement in order to find what's going on. Now I'll remove them. I don't need them anymore because this is working. So I remove the print statements, the print function, sorry. I check the function again. Why is it taking so long? Okay, no errors. And we fixed the problem. Great.